Hello, people. Like I always do, I like to speak about these little known, these cute little pages on Instagram. So there is this one page they connected with me in the morning itself. It's called uh, Kemoak Tent Hostel. It is in Kullu, and it is just a very, if you were to take a look at it, this is how it looks. This is the tent hostel, and here this is as beautiful as it gets. So really, people, I mean, I think and just sharing a tent, like as in it is 500 per night, for a single bed, and two people can share the tent, so it is just $1,000 a night. So I think it's very reasonable, and this is in Kullu. So really, I mean, someday I'd like to go there with my child, because it's just so uh, it's called Kemoak Tent Hostel. Kemoak. It's a different name, but I'll write it down, so you all should follow this page on Instagram. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.